How to reply to Instagram comments with GIF. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to reply to Instagram comments with GIF? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and then choose a post where you want to comment on, and then go to the comments icon. Now, on the comment bar on the right hand side, you will see a emoji like icon. Tap on it, and then there you'll see the GIF option. Tap on it, and then here you can choose from the list of GIFs that you get, or you can even search the GIF of your choice on the search bar. So just tap on the GIF and then it will be sent in the comments. It's as simple as that to reply with GIFs on your Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.